Mickey?
Oh, this is my third life. This is my third life. At 43.
A day early kami nag-celebrate ng birthday ni Sherwin dahil bukas nasa ospital na naman kami. This year is extra special for him kasi ito na raw ang third life niya after the operation niya. Ang request niya sana ay sinigang lang at inihaw na baboy. Pero syempre dapat may kain sa labas.
What? There's also 3 turtles.
7 na malalaki. Is it a turtle?
Yes.
I see.
Oh, look at the one. It's moving.
Punta ka rito.
Come here.
Punta ka rito. Come here. Oo nga no. It's moving. Oh, di ba? Turtle.
I think that one is name is Seaweed because that one Pinky.
Anong pangalan ng turtle mo?
Matthew.
Ikaw, anong pangalan ng turtle mo, Miguel? Ha? Ano?
Siki.
Sinky? Ikaw, about you. What's your turtle's name? What?
It's a seaweed.
Sea?
Because
Simi?
yeah, seaweed.
Seaweed?
He's sleeping at a plant, so that's why I call him Seaweed.
Show it to daddy. Show it to daddy here. Show it to daddy here. Go beside daddy. Show it to daddy. Interviewin mo, mahal.
Eat it.
How did you order?
I use this.
You said what? You said I want to order this? Baby? You said I want to order this? Yes, baby? Okay. Hey, come on! Zoe! 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 Takaw mo naman. Takaw niya naman, Zoe na yan.
Pinagat eh. Ginawang ito.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, blow the candle. Mag-wish ka muna, ah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Then my baby.
Bakit naasim? Wag ganun pa. Tagal din ng juice eh. Kain tayo. Sige. Okay. Prof yun dati.